Ishu, the adorable bear cub, is playing near a sparkling river in the magical fairy jungle. He is chasing butterflies and having the time of his life, with his round, sparkling blue eyes filled with joy. He has no idea how much time is passing, so caught up in the fun of the moment. As Ishu continues to play, he meets a group of playful, tiny forest creatures who join him in the fun. They are all laughing and hopping around, and time seems to fly by. Ishu's tiny ears twitch with delight as he spins in circles with his new friends, completely forgetting about the time. Suddenly, a gentle breeze sweeps through the jungle, and Ishu notices the stars are much brighter than before. He looks up at the sky, surprised to see how late it has gotten. Where did the time go? He wonders aloud, realizing how quickly the hours passed in the blink of an eye while he was having fun. Ishu heads back to his cozy den, feeling happy and content with a lesson learned. He smiles to himself as he snuggles into his bed, reflecting on the wonderful day he had. Time really does fly when you are having fun, he whispers before falling asleep, his sparkling blue eyes closing with joy.